Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to draw a nice jar of pickles with a puppy. And these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so let's start with drawing our jar. And we're going to draw the lid, so just an oval shape, just like that. Okay, and we're going to draw two lines coming down on each side. And then we're going to bring it across, okay? Now, we're gonna continue by drawing one line down, and then on the other side, one line down as well, and we're going to curl the line and join it with the other line, okay? All right, so across from it, we're gonna draw a line, so two lines. And I'm going to print the word pickles, Pickles. Okay. And I'm going to draw little pickles inside the jar. So I'm going to draw one line up, curve it all the way down, and bring it to the end. And then another line, curved line over, and curve it again and join it. Again, a nice little line curved or an arch, and then bring a line down and connect it, okay? And another curved line, another line at the bottom, and then our last pickle. Here we go. Okay, we could also do a little one here on the edge, just like that. All right, so now what we're going to do is draw little faces on the pickles. And we'll just draw little dots, like two eyes with a smile for each pickle. Now, I love eating pickles, and I thought this would be a fun day to draw a jar of pickles with a puppy. Okay, and then if you like, you could also add little just random dots around. We're gonna draw the little puppy. And what we're going to do is we're gonna draw the head first. So we're gonna make sort of like a U shape. Okay, around the jar here, the lid. There's our U shape, and we're gonna just bring it up further. And we're gonna draw little puppy ears, so just like little flappy ears on each side. Okay, and we're going to connect it. And for the puppy, you can draw a little hair sticking up. Okay, and two circles for the eyes, and I'm just going to shade in the little pupils and do two little eyebrows, the nose, an oval shape, and you're going to print the letter J just like that on each side, and the little tongue sticking out. So it's like the puppy is hovering over the jar of pickles. And then just for the body, we're gonna make it simple, just a curved line on each side. I'll start off with the puppy. And you can use whatever color you like. I'm just going to use brown, and I'm just going to go around our puppy. Okay, just very lightly. And for the tongue, I'm going to color it in red. The eyes, we're going to use a pale pink as well. Okay. And for our jar, I'm just going to use silver. And I'm just going to lightly go around it. Okay, and our pickles. So pickles, I'm going to use green, different shades of green. Okay, I'm just going to share just some facts about pickles. It's an ancient food preservation, and it's dating back to 2400 BC in Mesopotamia. And so it's been around in ancient times, that's for sure. Okay, and it's a cucumber that's preserved in salt or vinegar to create a sour or tangy flavor. And November 14 is National Pickle Day. So let's all celebrate yummy pickles. Here's a little sticker around the jar. I'm going to use a bright pink. So dill pickle, it's flavored in dill, which is an herb. Okay, and I love dill pickle as well. All right, I'm also going to use just a little bright green here. And underneath this part here. Okay, so I'm going to end off with a nice little joke. Why did the cucumber need a lawyer? Because he got himself into a pickle. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe.